Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the language on the Sunrise Village application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And click to the two lines at the upper side of the screen and go to the settings icon. Here you can find the second option, the language, and click to the arrow, and here you can select another language and just click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.